Hey guys, in this video I'll share how to cook Banga Rice. This is one of the easiest Nigerian rice recipes and it's delicious. Here are the ingredients you will need. First, we parboil the rice my usual way. Boil a generous quantity of water. Add the rice. When it boils, cook for 10 minutes more or till you can cut the grain with your fingernails like this with no resistance. Pour in a sieve and quickly cool it down with water. Set aside to drain. Debone and separate the smoked fish into big pieces. And prepare the other ingredients. Next, boil some water. Use it to mix the palm fruit concentrate. This will be used to cook the rice, so err on the side of less water. The aim here is to get the particles in the banga to go to the bottom of the pot. If you do not do this, you'll be chewing sand while eating the banga rice. Not good. That's what we call ajuite in Igbo. Can you hear it? Yes, that's a lot of unwanted particles. When done, slowly decant that into the pot that you used to cook the rice. Add stock cube, crayfish, onions, salt, and some pepper. When it boils, add the parboiled rice. At this point, the liquid should be at the same level as the rice. If less, top it up. This is the science of cooking a well-done one-pot Nigerian rice recipe that is not burnt and not soggy. Cover and start cooking on medium heat. Meanwhile, I'm frying the plantains I'll serve the banga rice with. When the rice is almost dry, add the scent leaves, habanero pepper, and smoked fish. At this point, the rice should be done, so no need to add more water. That is, if you parboiled the rice correctly. And there should be no burnt rice. Stir and leave to stand for 5 minutes before serving with the fried plantains. Not a single grain of burnt rice. Enjoy! See